out of all 3 meals, which one do you want to eat tonight?
Definitely this one, crispy Parmesan chicken.
Okay.
The other two look good too, but this one definitely, that's what
That
we
chicken
eat all
looks
the time.
amazing. Okay, let's see. So prep time's only 10 minutes, total time 40, and calories 690, and it shows all of the ingredients. And then let's take, they all come in bags like this, which is super nice.
Okay. Oh,
So
it's
that's,
the entire meal?
yep, that's the entire meal. It has everything in it.
Wow.
So we have all 3. So let's put these other ones in the fridge. And then we'll open this one up and see everything that's inside. Green beans, scallions, Parmesan, yum, breadcrumbs, couscous, a lemon that's very cold, butter. Ooh, roasted garlic herb butter, yum. Paprika, and what's this? Sour cream. And then I'm pretty sure all of the meat is in the bottom of the box. Yeah, don't forget about ingredients, which may be hiding under the ice. Am I gonna burn my hand on the dry ice? Oh, cool,
Possibly.
look in here. All of the meat is in there. Are you surprised that I'm making you cook?
No.